4 months. That's all I've got. In 120 days, I will be a millionaire. I know how it sounds. Arrogant, crazy, maybe impossible, but this isn't fantasy. This is a deadline, and you're going to see it all. I don't came from money. I don't have investors. It's just me, my laptop, my phone, my drive. And that's the point, because if I can do this, starting with nothing but skills and obsession, maybe you will believe you can too. Do I know if I will make it? No. Do I think about failing? Every single day. What if I lose? What if I end up with nothing but debt and wasted hours? That thought terrifies me. But the thought of staying the same and average, that terrifies me even more. So here's my promise. I'm not going to show you a highlight reel, no fake flexing, no filters. I'm going to show you everything. The late nights, the breakdowns, the arguments with myself when I want to quit, but also the wins, the moments where it finally clicked, the rush of that first sale, the proof that the dream is real. I want you with me on this journey, not just watching, but learning, feeling, living it with me. Because in the next 120 days, you're going to see what it really takes. No scripts, no safety nets, no shortcuts, just raw reality. So here it is. 120 days, one mission: become a millionaire or lose everything trying.